In this video guide, I will show with you step by step how to withdraw money from MuleBuy. So if you want to withdraw money, follow me in this video. Log in your account. This is the first step you need to do. After that, if you have a balance here, you can see here, just click withdraw option. From the withdraw option, you have the currency of China here. Just choose the amount you want to withdraw. For example, 100 for example 100 of this currency, it's equal $155, and just click validate. So guys, when you click validate, just click validate. After that, complete your steps of your withdraw option. So friends, this is how you can do. Just choose the withdraw, and then you can withdraw successfully without any problem on your account. For example, the wallet. And then from the wallet, click withdraw and choose your amount you want to withdraw. And you can use also gift card here, and then you can enter your amount. So guys, this is how you can do it. This easy steps. I am this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.